Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious habanero avocado salsa that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this creamy and delicious avocado habanero salsa, these are the ingredients. Habaneros, green habanero chilies, a piece of onion, salt, garlic clove, avocado oil, and 1 avocado. This is everything we need to make this delicious and creamy habanero salsa. So let's get started. I am ready to show you how to prepare this creamy and delicious avocado habanero salsa, Cancun style. Well, first we are going to rinse really good the habanero chilies, making sure that we run water really good through them. And once this is done, you are going to have your skillet nice and hot. This salsa comes out delicious and amazing, and I am sure you're going to love it. Once your skillet is nice and hot, you're gonna add your habanero chilies, your piece of onion, your 3 garlic cloves, and you are going to go ahead and roast them really good in medium heat. Remember, the garlic cloves are the ones that get roasted really easily and fast. So make sure that you roast your garlic cloves and you don't burn them. The habanero chilies are the ones that take a little longer, but be patient. Make sure that your heat is in medium heat so that they start getting and creating that amazing flavor. Waking up the chili habaneros really give this creamy salsa an amazing taste. I am sure you are really going to love it. That's why make sure that you take your time, you preheat your skillet in medium heat, and then slowly but gradually your chili habaneros are going to get nice and roasted. And that's exactly how you want them. You want to make sure that you roast them slowly so that they start bringing up all those amazing flavors. Once this is done, okay, I'm gonna go ahead, put it aside, and now I am ready to start and cutting off the edges. My home already smells amazing with this roasted onion, garlic, and of course the chiles habanero. I'm gonna go ahead and start taking this piece off of every single one. Believe me, once you start cutting these pieces off, you could really smell the aroma of the habanero chilies. Look at this. I got this recipe from a chef in Cancun when I was in vacation. And of course, I had to investigate, I had to ask how they made this amazing salsa. I was enjoying it and I was thinking already how to create it for you guys so that you guys make this amazing salsa at home and you enjoy what I enjoyed on my vacation at Mexico, Cancun. Well, here I have all the chili habaneros, the garlic, the onion. I'm going to add the salt. I'm going to add the avocado oil. And of course, you are going to have all the ingredients and the amounts in the description box. I have 2 organic avocados from my garden. And I am going to start getting all the delicious avocado out, and I'm going to add it directly into the blender. I'm not going to add anything else into the blender, only the avocados. This salsa comes out really creamy, really smooth, and the taste just amazing. I have all the 2 avocados here and the rest of the ingredients, and now we are ready to blend. You don't need to add anything else. Just be patient and blend it really good. And once it's nice and blended, look how creamy. And the aroma that it's releasing is just amazing. You could enjoy this creamy habanero avocado salsa with tacos, with chips, with tostadas, you name it. Look at this. Look how creamy it is. The aroma has penetrated my kitchen. If you really liked and loved this recipe, leave me thumbs up. Share this video on social media so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I can't wait to enjoy it. Should I enjoy it in some delicious tacos, or should I enjoy it with tostada chips? I can't wait to enjoy it. This is a beautiful presentation. Of course, I want to enjoy it with tortilla chips. So I am going to start making my tortilla chips at home. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this delicious and creamy avocado habanero salsa. I am going to enjoy it with them chips, tortilla chips, but you could add it into tacos. You decide. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipe. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Nice and spicy, but just delicious. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated, so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.